Nirvarjan speaking from Jaco International. The standard and quality practices in production, construction, maintenance and services. This is the Ese Prelim 2025. A semiconductor chip has a failure rate of 0.0005 per hour. Calculate the mean time up to failure and calculate a chip will not fail in 20,000 hours. Mean time to failure, it measures the reliability of non-repairable system. Reliability of non-repairable system. Mean time failure is equal to 1 by failure rate. So 1 by 0.005 is equal to 2000 hours. What is the probability that the chip will not fail in 20,000 hours? That is e to power minus 20,000 divided by 20,000, because this is also your mean time to failure is 20,000. The probability the chip will not fail in 20,000 hours is equal to e to a minus 20,000 divided by 2,000, because 2,000 is the mean time to failure. E to a minus 20,000 by 2,000 is e to a minus 10. That is 4.54. That is 4.54 completed. Probability of failure rate is 4.54.